Hello my friends, welcome back. Leanna here. I have Dexter. Hi Dexter. Because, you know, he's been watching too many episodes of Mary Catherine Loves Cats and he thinks that he needs to be in every video. So today is another episode of What's on the Porch. Dexter, you need to move along. Move along. What's on the porch? And along with that, dude, I'm doing another giveaway because it's still my birthday month. Do y'all remember me unboxing this wicked candle? It has a ring in it. You see? I am starting to see the little baggie that has the ring in it, but it will not pull out yet. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and it involves something to do with that candle, but we'll get into that at the end of the video, you know, so y'all have to watch the whole darn thing. So back to what's on the porch. I got my Glam Bag X. I have not cut the tape. I have not watched any videos, so I don't know what all's in here. I know I got to pick a couple of things. I know that it's Huda, and I'm excited about it. So let's get on into it and see what we got. Comes with the little magazine that tells you all the good stuff. I'm just going to pull everything out. I'm not showing you the box because, you know, it's a box with stuff in it. I still don't know why we do that. But I'm going to take everything out so that I can get the box out of the way. My cats love these boxes with this cushy stuff. They will get in there and snuggle up and sleep. Look, Dexter's like, there's a box. Alrighty, this is the thing in my box that I am not excited about, this PMD. I had one of these and I gave it away because I just really wasn't all that into it. And now here I have another one. I don't remember what the price of that was. Let's see if we can find it here in the IPSY Glam Bag X catalog. $99. $99, y'all. Maybe let me put this back here. Maybe I'll give that away. Maybe I'll give that. These are wonderful. They're wonderful. I will give it away to y'all. Y'all want it, right? Let's see. The next thing that I have here is Goldfaden MD. This is Solution Needleless Line Smoothing Concentrate. Ultimate non-evasive solution to reduce the appearance of fine line depth. Let's see if we can find a price on that. That is... what? Y'all. That is $165 right there. $165. What? If you've got the money and you want to buy stuff like this, go for it. But there are really, really good products that you can get that are so affordable. And then we have this Sunday Riley Clean Rinse Clarifying Scalp Serum. And I believe that I chose this for my hair because it has AHA, BHA infused rinse off. Is it for your hair? Yes. It's a rinse off serum to clarify the scalp of product buildup, excess oil, dead skin, and pollution for a cleaner, healthier looking scalp. Let's see how much this puppy cost. No, it's not a puppy. We don't sell puppies. No puppy mills. We like cruelty-free stuff. Is it in here? Sunday Riley. Sunday Riley. Where you be? Sunday Riley. Here we go. Section off your hair with a comb to get an even scalp application. That's Huda's tip. And that retails for $48. Pretty sure that I chose this because it's purple. And I love me some purple. 24-month shelf life. Purple Haze. Very pretty. I like it. Let's see how much this is. Did I buy that? I might have bought that because I don't see it. No, there it's right there, but I don't know what the price is. It's not telling me. Nope, don't see it. Anyway, it's a pretty palette, and I do believe that I chose that. I'm excited about that. And then we have With Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm from Rare Beauty, and it says Empathy. I'm thinking that Empathy is the shade. There's the packaging, very cute, very simple. And that's what it looks like. And what did I say that was? Is that a balm? Dewy Lip Balm. Oh, it has a magnetic closure. That's nice. Let's see how much this is. With Gratitude, Dewy Lip Balm is $16. It's a sheer tint that looks gorgeous on all skin tones. That's nice. I will probably keep that and give that a try. I don't know if I have tried. I think I have a Rare Beauty palette that I've possibly never used. And then we have Huda, The Best Lashes. No. Legit lashes. It says you deserve the best lashes, and we legitimately swear to give you major volume. Very Vanta Extreme Black, it says. I am currently loving, oh my goodness. I am currently loving my ColourPop. That mascara is so good. So this is dual-ended. That's the curvy brush. Can you see how that's got like an hourglass shape to it? Oh, and then this. Focus. It's like the plastic silicone. That's nice because getting those lower lashes with big brushes can really be a pain. So let's see how much this is. That retails for $27. 2 super long-lasting mascaras in one. The volumizing side gives lashes instant thickness, and the curling and lengthening side creates a wide-eyed look. That's cool. I'm looking forward to using that. And then we have by Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Powder Correction Multi-Zones. It's a setting powder. Extra smoothing multi-zone correction. No pores, no lines. And it is colorless, it says. Oh, that's nice. The packaging is nice. I've always wanted to try by Terry products. Very nice. Let's see what the price of that is. Ooh, $60. It's a mattifying, but not drying, it says. It has hyaluronic, it's a hyaluronic acid infused powder. That's cool. And the last thing in my box is this OFRA Midi palette, Sitting Pretty. That's typical OFRA packaging. And there's what it looks like. You've got 2 blushes and then a highlight. And the nice thing about this little palette is you see the little spaces there so that you can take those out so it's refillable. Very pretty little palette. I have an OFRA highlighter. I may have one of their eyeshadow palettes, and their formulas are nice. So let's see what the cost of that is. Yep. Can y'all hear my neighbors next door talking? They're so loud. No OFRA in here either. Did you know that Huda's nickname is Hootie Booty? I do not see the OFRA palette. No OFRA palette. How odd. So there we are. Those are all the products in my Glam Bag X that was curated in English by Huda. Very nice. Lots of nice products. It's $165. And this very nice, very nice PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device that I'm going to give away to some lucky winner because I know y'all love it and y'all want it because it's so good. So now let's talk about the candle. So as you can see, you see the white right there? That is the packet that has the ring in it. This is a Fragrant Jewels candle. It smells heavenly. And I have only been burning this candle while I am filming a video. I know how many videos I have used this candle in so far. When I unboxed it in typical silly Leanna style, I said, wonder how many burns or video, I don't know what I said, it's going to take to get to the ring. You know, kind of like how many licks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Roll Tootsie Pop? Because that's what I thought about. So how many videos is it going to take until I can get that ring out of this candle? So, down in the comments, I want you to put how many videos you think it's going to take for me to actually be able to pull that ring out of that candle. And y'all need to send good juju that it's a $1,000 ring, because they say that you can get a $1,000 ring, because I can sell it and use that money to buy more makeup, okay? So down in the comments, in a complete sentence, how many videos, I want you to guess how many videos it's going to take for me to actually be able to pull that ring out of that candle. Now, I'm guessing that some people may say the same answer. If somebody does not get the exact answer, if I have several people that say the same thing and are really close, or they give the same answer and it's right, then I'll take all of those names and I will draw somebody from that, okay? So, I have no idea when this giveaway is going to end, because I don't know how long it's going to take for me to get to the ring and the candle. And we will do this, but I will throw in some other goodies too along with this. You have to be 18 years of age or older in order to enter to win. You have to do the comment leaving your guess as to how many videos it's going to take. You have to be publicly subscribed to my YouTube channel, and you're going to have to stick around to see how long it takes for me to get to this ring. What else? I think that's it. I think that's all you have to do to be eligible to enter the giveaway. This giveaway is not sponsored by YouTube or IPSY or Fragrant Jewels Wicked Candle. I bought all of this with my own money, and whatever I send you, I bought with my own money as well. This giveaway is going to be in the USA only because I tried to ship a package the other day to New Zealand, and we do not want to talk about how much they said it was going to cost me, so I brought it back home and I'll wait. They said that it was going to come back down after January, so after Christmas. They raised the prices because, you know, we're getting ready to go into the holiday season with people mailing stuff. So after January, I will do some more international giveaways. But for now, you have to be in the United States. And I don't remember what else it was that I was going to say. Yes, I do. Once I put the package in the mail, it's out of my hands as far as how long it takes to get to you, what kind of condition it will be in when it gets to you. I'm not responsible if it's damaged, stolen, doesn't make it to you, all of that good stuff. So there we go. I will put all of the rules and everything down in the description just in case I have forgotten something, because I'm a little cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs today. My head is all stopped up. I don't know if y'all can tell. I kind of sound like Leroy today instead of Leanna. So thank you so much for watching another episode of What's on the Porch. There were some more things on the porch. They're over here on the floor beside me. That's for another video. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel, and it sure would make my day. You can give me a thumbs down too. I'm okay with that. Just give me a thumb up, down, whatever. If you are not already subscribed, hit that subscription button and ring that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age. Find something to be grateful for. There's always something to be grateful for. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher? Maybe you could use this to clean your fishing lures. That's a thought. Maybe I should keep this and put it in your Christmas stocking next to your garbanzo beans. Christopher loves garbanzo beans. Mama loves you, boo.